Okay, Ed here. Got this in the mail yesterday. Looks interesting. I cannot read the calligraphy here. It's also down here. Guess I'm thinking it's Chinese. It could be a little bit of Japanese or Korean thrown in. Don't know. Put in comments what this is, where this came from, if y'all would. I can't read the beautiful language, but I can read the English. Okay, let's see what it is. There we go. Alright. What we got here? A multi-purpose screwdriver set. Thinking it's this one, because they have three here, but they say 47 in one, 38 in one, 45 in one. Professional handyman tools, it says. 38 in one, it's got the check mark here, so it's a multi-purpose screwdriver set. The knives would have been nice, but hey, I'm a modeler, what can I say? But I also dabble with other things, so see what is in it. Looks like it has a bit of everything, but taking a look at this sleeve, looks like this is intentionally left blank so that they can put in a their own logo or whatever. So this is okay. Puzzle box. Alright. Cool. See what we got. Okay, anti-slip grips. This looks like something to hang it with. Probably pop off. It says telecommunication tools. Alright. Magnetic flop. Cool. Okay. Interesting. Suction cup mount. Key ring. Alright, what do we got here? Tight fitting. Alright, we have a star 0.8. Just says tools on it. Let's say this is 0.08. Torx bit. Okay, not interchangeable, solid. Okay, always handy. the ends. Tools, 1.5 star, or in cross, so it's a Phillips head. 1.5, I guess that's a millimeter. Very nice, very nice. Also very handy. Tops don't swivel too smoothly, but with a little wear in, that will help. For dealing with small electronic stuff, that's great. We have here, looks interesting. Okay, apparently it's a flex shaft. Cool. Okay, we'll find out what that does here shortly. Where it goes to. What do we have here? Like a pair of tweezers. Oh, angled tweezers. Working in close. Okay. Oh yeah. Good. Okay, nice pair of tweezers. These kind of looks like a guitar pick, but it's not. I guess these are just space fillers. Okay, because here's where all the action is. Apparently this is the handle. Okay. Alright. Tension collet there. Also, that's pretty nice little handle. Rubberized. Alright. We have here like an extension. Make it longer. Pretty. Nice anodized. Tool. Machined. Okay. Aha, cool. Alright, we have 5.5 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter. These look like nut bits. Oh boy, that holds it nice and tight. I like that. Okay, 5.5, 5.0, 3.0, 2.5, 4.5, 3.5. Okay, and these are M, PH2, and M4. Okay, metric. Okay, these have various screwdriver points here. 2-prong, flat, 2.0, 2 millimeter, 2.0 Phillips, 0.8 on a star, and this looks like a round 0.8. Could be a hex, could be a round, I don't know. I think it's round. Okay. 2.0 standard, 1.0 Phillips, 1.5 Phillips, 2.0 Phillips, 3.5 Phillips. And these are metric hex nuts. Oh, okay. Cool. The reverse Phillips head. Cross on a flat. Interesting. Very much for security reasons. Metric. Okay, these are nuts. Handy. Phillips. 0.9 hex or 0.9, 1.5 hex, 2.0 hex, 3.0 hex, and 1.0 standard. Okay, here we have the Torx bits, T3, T4, T5, T6, and T7. Very handy, nice little pop-up. Set here. Nice handy little driver. Very nice, very nice. On initial look it looks a little cheap, but when you're dealing with small electronics these are perfect. And interchangeable. These two are very common, so highly in use or highly useful. Blah, 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 blah. Tongue don't always work. Gets stuck in my teeth. Cool. That clips right back. Ooh, spring tension, cool. I like it, I like it. These bits aren't going to get lost on you. They lock in pretty nice. Cool. All right. Believe it's going to work out nice. Pop this back in for now. Little space holder. Okay, flop. Figure out how that's stick in there. Comes up, lays across, I think. And magnetic hold. Yep. That'd be a nice little kit.